Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 773. This error usually means your satellite receiver isn't getting a signal. First, carefully check all the cable connections from your satellite dish to your receiver. Make sure they are tight and secure. Next, look for anything that might be blocking the view between your dish and the satellite, like new tree growth or buildings. Even a small obstruction can cause signal loss, leading to this error code. If connections are good, try power cycling your receiver. Unplug it from the power outlet for at least 15 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resets the system and can resolve temporary glitches. Also, ensure your smart card is properly inserted into the receiver. Sometimes, a slightly dislodged or dirty card can interfere with service. Finally, check if any recent software updates were interrupted, as this can also cause signal issues. Next, inspect your satellite dish itself. Look for any visible damage or signs that it might have shifted, perhaps due to strong winds. Gently clear any snow, ice, or debris that has accumulated on the dish surface, as even a thin layer can block the signal. Remember, severe weather like heavy rain or snow can temporarily disrupt satellite reception, so consider if current conditions are a factor in your signal loss. If you've tried all these steps and error code 773 still appears, it's time to contact your satellite service provider. Be ready to tell them exactly what troubleshooting steps you've already performed. This information will help them diagnose the problem more quickly. They can often run remote diagnostics or, if necessary, schedule a technician to visit your home and resolve the issue for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.